Look at that. Broken spring on my Ethan Allen desk chair. Second time it's happened. I flipped it over before and fixed it. I'm going to try to do it again. Thought maybe you'd like to come with me and we'll work on it together. This is the problem. The spring has come loose, and I'm thinking by the hole that's here, this may be even the same spring that came loose before. But we're going to have to take these four bolts out of the stand, and then we'll take some staples out from around there and take a look inside. Okay, so we're inside here, and this is what holds it in there. There's the one that broke before, so this is my second time. Looks like actually it goes underneath there and then holds this down in place. But since I can't get underneath here, I decided to make something like that out of a, I'll show you, we'll fabricate something later. So we got to make another one because it looks like it's broken off there. So I'll get it set up and I'll show you, we'll make another one of those.